Hello everyone. Today we have an exciting topic to explore: stative verbs. Understanding stative verbs is essential for mastering English grammar. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about stative verbs, including their definition, usage, and common examples. So let's dive right in. First things first, what are stative verbs? Stative verbs also are known as state verbs express a state of being, feeling or positions rather than an action. They describe situations or conditions that don't involve physical actions. For example, verbs like love, belong, understand, have are stative verbs. Now let's explore their usage in more detail. When it comes to using stative verbs, there are some key points to remember. Number one, no continuous tense. Stative verbs are rarely used in continuous tense like present continuous or past continuous. We don't say I'm loving, but rather I love. Emotional states, stative verbs are commonly used to express emotions or mental states. For instance, I feel happy or she understands the concept. Number three, non-action verbs. Stative verbs describe conditions that are not actions. She has a car is correct, but she is having a car is not. And number four, verbs tense consistency. It's important to maintain consistency when using stative verbs in a sentence. Let's go over some common examples. Love. I love chocolate. Belong. This book belongs to me. Understand. She understands Spanish. Possession. They have a beautiful house. Feelings. He feels excited about the trip. Opinions. I think this movie is great. Now let's talk about common mistakes people make with stative verbs. Using continuous tense incorrectly. I am waiting a cup of coffee. Should be I want a cup of coffee. Overusing to be. Avoiding unnecessary to be verbs in sentences. Instead of he is being annoying, say he is annoying. Number three, using stative verbs in the imperative form. Believe me, not be believing in me. Avoiding these mistakes will help you use stative verbs correctly. Okay? If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more grammar tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.